guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jazz, and I'm back with another video today. Make sure you guys, if you aren't following me and if this is your first time seeing this face, make sure you hit that subscribe button, you guys. Make sure you like and comment on this video and support your girl, okay? So today, you guys, I got some new stuff. I got some early Mother's Day gifts that I had got, and I got some Kylie products, you guys. Yes. Okay. And I've never tried her products before. I don't really know how her products work or, you know, how they do. So this is my first time trying them. As you can see, I got a bronzer in the color Almond. And then I got the blush in the color Baddie on the Block. Okay, so I'm gonna try the bronzer first, and I don't have any kind of bronzer or anything on my skin right now, so we're gonna see how this goes. I'm just gonna take this little contour brush and see. Okay, all right, this is what it looks like, you guys. It's got the little drip on there, and I like it. It's got a little mirror. It's got the plastic on the front. So I'm gonna try. I'm just gonna swipe a little bit because I like contour, but I'm not really a big fan of like looking super dark. But we're gonna try it and see how it goes. Ooh. Okay. Yes. I like that. And it's not really too dark, but it's got more of a reddish color to it, but it's cute though. I like it. It's not too dark. It's more of a natural like bronzer, like definitely warm you up a little bit. But I'm like super white, so I need something that's gonna kind of darken me up a little bit, just a little bit. I actually feel like I would really maybe, I don't know, want it a little bit darker. I feel like it's dark enough for me, but it's more natural. And I don't really contour my nose, you guys, so. You can tell where I had my rag on my head. Like wrinkled forehead. But I might try and contour my nose just a little bit, just to see what it looks like, y'all. But I'm not really a fan of contouring my nose, as you can see. I don't want my nose looking all funny, but it works. This got more of a reddish tone to it. I don't really think I like the reddish tone. I just hit that out of my eye. But yeah, it's cute or whatever. Contour my nose a little bit for the first time, you know. But I like it. It's different. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the blush, you guys, and see how that looks. Cause I don't really wear blush, but I feel like it's about to be summertime, so I feel like. And it looks the same. It's just got the drip on there, but it's really like a peachy pink kind of. And I'm gonna take this brush, and this is actually a powder brush. Ooh, that's pretty. I need to start wearing blush more, you guys, because I like the way that looks on my skin. Yes, Baddie on the Block might be my favorite. Yes. Come through, Baddie on the Block. Yes, I love it. It gives me like a more natural look. I don't look like super, like, I think it's cute. Yes. So you guys, that is my honest review on these products, and I actually like them. I'm gonna see how long it lasts, if it stays on my skin or whatever, but right now, as of right now, I love it. Like, I might have to try the other colors and see how they look, but as of now, yeah, it's cute. I like it. So yeah, you guys, if you aren't subscribed already, make sure, and if you haven't,
girl, what you doing? What you doing? Make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment, okay, on this video, because it ain't gonna cost you, all right?
But yeah, as always, you guys, make sure you what?
Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back.
Bye, guys.